Everyone, so this is the Kvidio wireless headphones and the model is, this one is the model number I think, and here it is saying that you can fully charge it within 2.5 hours and it's gonna last for 50 to 55 hours. So I think this is a nice one. And so now let's quickly unbox it, let's review this product and let's see how it looks and what it came inside with, right? So let's unbox it. All right guys, so first thing first, so this is the, okay, let's put this aside. Here's the headphones itself and here is the user manual. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting here. And before opening this, let's just quickly open the accessories it came with. So first of all, it came with a charger. It's a USB-C charger, and this is a audio jack, so you can plug that into your laptop or your phone and you can listen to this weirdly. All right, so and this is the headphones itself, and you can like fold it like this. This is nice, and just a click, and now this is the full headphone. So now as you can see, this is the headphone and it's black in color, and here is the buttons. This is the power button. There's the volume up and down button. This is the charger port, I think, yeah, charging port, and this is the audio jack. Okay, so let's quickly turn it on. Okay, so you can see a blue light here when it turns on. So you need to pair it with your smartphone or your computer via Bluetooth, and that's how you can hear the sounds. Okay, so it's nice. It's a nice pair of headphones. It's a nice headphones to have, and yeah, it's pretty comfortable, I think, because these are foams. So you can unfold it again like this. All right, and you can increase the size as well. Yeah, like this. Yep. All right, so guys, that is it, and